Es hora de comer.
You got all that dirt on the bottom of the Damn, you fell. Oh, damn, you fell. You alright?
Please shut up, Mom. You're making me angry. You're no hope at all.
Hi, we're your host, Ant and Dec, and joining us today is our brand new contestant, you!
To win the star prize of someone answering this door, all you need to do is shout, "I've got a very large package," in 3, 2, 1, go!
Not a chance.
Hello?
Oh, you're right.
Hello, can you pop it
I
round?
have a very large...
Can you pop it round the side for me, please?
Yeah, no.
Thank you.
Hey, mate.
Cheers.
Aromatherapy.
Oh, you made me bloody joke. Oh, you little shit! Oh, she stood on me so bloody toe. Oh,
Hi, Mum. Say hi to my mum. Don't have to press it.
Ring-a-ding-ding-ding.
Oh, do
Ring-a-ding-ding-ding.
dance for me,
Ring-a-ding-ding.
Oh, sorry. We're too drunk.
Ring-a-ding-ding.
Hi, Mum. Right.
Hi, Mummy.
Shh. Thanks. Thanks.
All right there, sorry.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Oh, well, I haven't got an American accent, but I'll try. My name's Claire. I'm from the local congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses. Can I just have a very quick chat with you?
I'm having a poo at the moment. I can't get to the door.
Oh, well, there you are. Better not interrupt that then, love. You better carry on. We'll come again another time. Okay, bye.
Fine.
Hello. Right, listen, Mum. I know you wanted me home at 9 p.m, but it's currently 5:56 in the morning, so I'm a couple hours late. But that's fine, because I'm not drunk at all. I'm going to go to bed, and you can wake me up at like 3 p.m, yeah? Sweet.
Oh. Come on, Mama. You take care of those babies, Mama.
Hello?
Hello, Jehovah's Witnesses. Do you have a minute?
I'll be honest, mate. I'm just having a wank at the minute.
Good lad. Bye-bye then.
Right, bye, mate.
Hello?
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 What's this about?
We're Jehovah's Witnesses. We're just trying to give a bit of encouragement to people, being the world is in such a state.
I don't believe in God.
Oh, right.
It's all a load of bollocks.
Well, we all think that, don't we, until we read a book and then we find out it's really quite good.
Oh, no, definitely not. It's not real. It's not real.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then you can feel that
I
way.
pray to God every day and ask for money, and it never fucking comes, does it? Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day. God bless.
My sister is at it again.
Come on, baby. What are you doing?
What's that there? Oh god, just 1 second.
Scream, I can't.
Oh god.
Fucking gay.
I told her, I said, listen, you either have my $50 or we're going to tell everybody. Miss me, bitch! Well, I can't wait to move. Now you're going to stir up all the wee-woos. Here come all the wee-woos now, thank goodness.
Here they come.